Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat na nabagot sa aming channel, Best Investments by Means Sabache, and I'm an accredited seller of DMCA Homes. So today, discuss ko sa inyo sa mga sample competitions natin para kay Doriana. Okay ba? Hello po, sa kamusta po kayo? So I hope napanood niyo yung construction update natin kay Doriana. Ngayon ang bilis mataas na yung building natin kay North Tower. I think last month parang nasa 20 plus floors pa lang siya. Pero ngayon na parang nasa 30 plus sa 32, 33 ganon. Kasi meron akong video from the atrium level of Infinite Towers. Nasa 32nd floor siya. Pero mas mataas pa doon ng 3 levels yung yung North Tower natin ni Doriana. So magandang progress at mabilis yung yung pagtaas in a month, in a span of 1 month, ilang floors yung nadagdag kay North Tower. Okay? So ngayon for this video naman, I will discuss with you the sample computations. But before I start, a quick information muna tayo about this project, okay? So, Doriana is located along Aurora Boulevard, okay, in Project 4, Quezon City. Ngayon, kung familiar kayo kay NCBA School, napapagitnahan siya ng dalawang project natin. The first one is Infinite Towers. Ito yung RFO natin, ready for occupancy project natin. And then, sa kabilang side naman is yung pre-selling natin na si Doriana. So, for this project po, dalawang high-rise po, dalawang residential condominium po na composed of 55 stories, okay, per each building. Okay? So ito, dalawang building, North Tower and South Tower. So the first tower will be turned over by April 2026, while the second tower will be turned over by November 2027. So dito po, yung South Tower, medyo matagal pa yung turnover niya. So for this project po, sa South Tower, we still have studio unit and 2-bedroom units. Wala po tayong 1-bedroom unit dito because yung studio pa lang natin, size lang din ng 1-bedroom, 30 square meters po yan. Okay? And then for this project po, meron tayong selected units na walang balcony, but instead of the balcony, we replace it with day bed. So kagandahan nito, mas na-maximize yung yung space natin dito para sa project na to. So for this video, I will discuss with you the computation for the South Tower, okay? Because kay South Tower meron pa tayong options dito na sa studio unit and 2-bedroom unit. Pero if you want dun sa North Tower, nandiyan yung numbers ko po, naka-flash po sa screen nyo, may contact me anytime so that I can provide with you the sample computations for the North Tower, okay? So wag na patagalin pa. So ito na po yung computation natin for the South Tower rather. So let's start of course with the computation for the 2-bedroom unit. Okay? So for this unit, this one is size at 61 square meters, okay? So for this for this tower, meron tayong promo na pagka 2-bedroom, meron kang 3% discount. Okay? So this is valid until September 30, 2024. Okay? So ito ang computation natin. So 15% down payment in 37 months. Okay? And then yung remaining balance mo through bank financing. Okay? So ang price natin for 61 square meters na 2-bedroom unit is at 8.2 M. Okay? So less the 3% discount na amounting to 246,000. So ang net contract price natin mag-fall at 7.9 M. Okay? So let's get the 15% down payment amounting to 1.1 million. So unless the reservation fee of 20,000. So ang net down payment natin would fall at 1.1 M. So let's equally divide it into 37 months because we still have 37, almost lagpas 3 years. 3 years and 1 month, so 37 months. So for 37 months, ang monthly down payment natin is at 31,800. Okay, so that's for the 2-bedroom unit. And then remaining balance mo po na 85% amounting to 6.7 M plus the closing fees of 838,000. So ang total loanable amount natin is at 7.6M. Okay? So, ang estimated na monthly amortization natin for 20 years at 60,000, for 15 years at 69,000, for 10 years at 89,000 pesos. Okay? And then the last computation naman, this one's for the studio unit na 30 square meters. So, for a studio unit, we don't have a discount for this one. So, ang pinaka-promo lang natin dito is yung 15% down payment. But if you would like a discount, pwede tayong anytime, pwede tayong mag-standard term na 30% down payment. With that, mas meron kang 4% discount and mas maliit yung magiging balance mo. Okay? So, for this computation, ang di-explain ko po sa inyo is yung, natin, yung promo natin. So, 15% down payment amounting to 766,000. So, let's less the reservation fee of 20,000. So, ang net down payment natin mag-fall sa 746,000. So, ito na po equally divide natin for 37 months. So, for 37 months, ang magiging monthly down payment ninyo is at 20,179. Okay? And then, yung remaining balance natin na 4.3M plus the closing fees of 536,000. Ito na yung magiging loanable amount natin. So, ang total is at 4.89. 4.8M. Okay? So, ang estimated natin monthly amortization for 20 years at 38,000 pesos. For 15 years at 44,000. And for 10 years at 57,000 pesos. Okay? Ayun po. So, that concludes my video, okay, for the sample computations for this project. Ngayon, if you want to know more about the Ariana, nandyan yung mga numbers ko po naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Okay? And also, we can schedule an online presentation via Zoom or pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. Pwede natin putahan ito pong project natin na to. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching po. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ay ma-notify po kayo. So, thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.